Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this Math Olympic problem without using calculator. So let's find out the solution. As our equation is whole square root here 30 into square root of 5 minus 50. If I'm wrote 50 is become 10 into 5 is become 50 here. So if I'm wrote our equation, if something a that is equals to, if I multiply by a into square root of a into a is become square root of a is become a square and square cancel, and we got the value of a here. So this means this term is equals to square root of a and square root of a here. So our equation is become, I'm wrote here 30 square root of 5 minus 10. 5 become square root of 5 into square root of 5 here, all square root here. So we got square root here, of 5 here and square root of 5 here. So I am trying to take common here, square root of 5. So our equation is square root of 5 and we got 30 minus 10 and we got only one square root of 5 here, whole square root here. So this means I'm using the formula if a to the power of a and b here, square root here, power of product rule. This means we got separate out square root and say with different numbers here, constant here. So our equation is 5 square root here and this is also square root here and into 30 minus 10 square root of 5 whole square root here. So whole square root here. So square root of 5 something of square root of a, that is equals to a to the power of 1 by 2 here. Because fractional exponential rule is defined, square root of a is equals to a to the power of 1 by 2 here. So our equation is 5 to the power of 1 by 2 into another square root is 1 by 2 here into 30 minus 10 square root of 5 here, whole square root here. So I am using the power of power rule. Power of power rule, if a to the power of m and n, this means power is multiply. So power is multiply. Our equation is become 5 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 and square root 10 minus square root of 5 here, whole square root here. 1 into 1 is become 1 and 2 is 2 2s are 4 here into 30 minus 10 square root of 5 here, whole square root here, whole square root of here. So 30, next step is 5 1 by 4 into third. If I'm wrote here 30 is something like 25 plus 5 is 30 here, minus and 10 is become 2 into 5 is 10. I'm broke down into 10 into 2 into 5 and 30 is 25 plus 5 here, square root of 5, whole square root here. So the next step is 5 to the power of 1 by 4 into 5. 25 is 5 square here, 25 5 square here plus 5 square root here minus 2 into 5 and this is square root of 5 here. So this means that x is equals to, I'm wrote here x is equal to x square and square root here. So our equation of 5 is, this term is 5, that is equals to, if I am trying to square here, square root here and square here, that's a term will be equal to 5 here. So apply it here. So our equation is become 5 is equals 5 to the power 1 by 4 into 5 square plus this is 5 is square root of 5 whole square here minus 2 into 5 and square root of 5 here, whole square root of here, whole square root here. So this is sum of square of some identity formula. Square of some identity formula is like that. Square of some identity formula is like this is a square and this is plus b square, and this is minus 2ab, that is equals to a minus b whole square here. So this means a is equals to 5 and b is equals to square root of 5. So our equation is become a minus b whole square. So a is first square 5 to the power of 4, 1 by 4 here, and square a is 5 minus b is square root of 5 whole square root here. So square root of here. So square and square root cancel. So we find the value 1 by 4 into 5 minus square root of 5 here. So square root of 5, square root of a, that is equals to a to the power 1 by 2 here, 5 to the power 1 by 4 into 5 is 1, and this is minus 1 by 2 here. So now multiply inside 5 to the power 1 by 4 and in 5 to the power 1 by 4 into 5 by 1, 5 minus 1 by 4 into 5 to the power 1 by 2 here. So I'm going to call that the rule of power of product of power rule. This means if a to the power of m and a to the power of n, so power is added here. So I'm add a power here, that is equal to 5 to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 here. So our equation is equals to 5 divided by 4, 1 plus that is 1 here. So for 1 to the power of 4 is 4 minus 5 divided by 4, take product here 4, 1 plus 2 4s are, and 1 into 2 is 2 here. So this is taking LCM, result is 5 is 1 plus 4 is 5 divided by 4 minus 5 divided by 3 by 4 here. So we got the final answer here. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe here.